Make a great choice today with the 2019 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power passenger seat, leather seats, leather shift knob. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.